In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your PC home screen this to this. First, go to your browser. Now here's search rainmeter. If anything didn't go like this, I will answer every possibility at the video. Click on this first link. You need to download this. Now give a place to save the file. I will save everything into one file. Like this, it will start downloading. After download, make sure to download this file first. If not, it will not work. Double-click on this. Select language. Click Next. Install. Click Finish. Now this notification will pop up. Now you need to search VS Themes. Here, click on this link. This is the website. Now search White Neon 2. After that, you will see this. Click on it. Now you need to download this file. Then you need to go to Rainmeter Skins website. Now click on this first link. Then you will redirect it to this page. Here we are going to use this mod. Now click on this first thing. Then you need to download this file as well. I already download this file, so I'm going to skip this. Then you will see pop-up like this. If not, don't worry. Then go to this arrow-like icon and click on this. Now you will see pop-up like this. Here you can't see that much. Now I'm going to install the applications download earlier. Now I'm going to get everything in one folder. Now you can see I moved the Mont application here. Now you need to install like this. If your application didn't look like this, you may need to extract the file. After installing, you will see this pop up, and here select what is the clock you need. As you can see, it will show like this. You can move it like this with your mouse pointer. If this is not appeared, don't worry, it will at the back of the video. After you done, click on Close Settings. Don't worry, you can change this after closing as you like. Now we are going to change the look of your home screen. Now right-click. Go to View. Here and tick the Show Desktop icons. Like this, your desktop icons will be hidden. Don't worry, you can also access this files through Files. And also you can see Recycle Bin in left down corner. Now go to Taskbar Settings like this. Now go like this. Put tick on Automatically Hide Taskbar. This way only your mouse pointer go to lower sections, the taskbar will appear. Now set the things as you like, and we are going to add some more to this. Now open the browser and go to Wallpaper Flare website. Here you can download high-quality wallpapers. Download one you like. I already download 2 of this, each lock screen and home screen. Now click on the wallpapers you download. Now set the wallpapers as you like. Now close the wallpapers. Now open the rainmeter. Now you can see the mont is here. Click on it and go to the clock. Now load the clock. Mine is already loaded. Now install the Rainmeter Skins app. Now open the Rainmeter again. Now you can see it here. Now click on it, and then click on Dock. Then load it like you did before. Now this dock will appear. Now set this as you like. Now you can see your desktop is done. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.